Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I've prepared a lesson on how to perfectly prevent the user from accessing the system by simply copying a URL from the browser. Normally browsers tend to keep users' previous sessions, so sometimes unauthorized user might access your system data by copying a URL path shown on the browser. So here is how to prevent such kind of situation to happen to your PHP application. First of all, we'll have to prepare a file, and here from this example I've called it session. So you prepare a file called session. You can call it whatever you want, but what goes in there is here, which I'm going to elaborate. Here is how your sessions file should look like, as I said. So prepare a file, you can call it session, you can call it ses, whatever you want, but what goes in there is here. So basically OB start, which is a function output buffering, allows user to keep the content in a server-side buffer until you are ready to display it. So that's what it does. OB ends clean, which is output buffering end clean. It ends the buffer without displaying any data, any user data, I mean. So here is when we check whether the user have already logged in or not. So if we set session user ID, this ID of the user has been stored in the session ID here, or else if not, that user will be redirected to the index page until they have logged in. So let's get back to our browser, and of course inside my system there is a page called Assistant Manager. So let's check if our browser will send us direct to this page, which is Assistant Manager, or it will redirect us back to the index page. It should redirect us, remember, to this same page which is shown here. So I'm trying to click and see if it will send us to this page or it will return to the same page. So as you can see, it didn't send us to any other page. Instead, it redirects us to the same page until we log in to this system.